Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. So today I'm having some strawberry ice cream. So I want you guys to stick around and watch me. Let me walk you through this strawberry ice cream recipe. Very simple. And guys, go ahead, please hit that subscribe button. Help me grow this channel, and let's have fun while we do it, right? Alright guys, so for today's recipe, I'm putting together a strawberry ice cream made from scratch. I got some half and half, some heavy whipping cream, some honey, vanilla, sugar, pinch of salt, some strawberries. So that's all I need. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything ready for you guys. Nice fresh strawberry. Alright, so go ahead guys and remove the top of the strawberry. I'm just gonna cut these in small, smash these real quick. You can use like a fork. We're almost there, guys. And let's say if you don't want the chunks in it, guys, feel free to use a blender or a food processor for this part. But I don't want it to be liquefied and this just juice. I want to taste some of the strawberry chunks. I want to have some of the chunks of strawberry in the ice cream. Not everybody likes that. I mean, I usually don't like it, surprisingly, but for the ice cream, I don't mind it. It's like drinking orange juice with pulp. I can't do it. Yeah, guys, so it's all about having fun while cooking, coming up, doing new stuff, doing stuff from home. Like, you guys all know what my channel is about. I could do a lot of stuff in the restaurant and show you guys, but this channel is solely to show you guys how to cook from home. All right, I'm thinking about starting my own chef channel too, where I cook, like I go out to eat, like a vlogging channel, but that's coming. Right now I'm just focusing on this channel. All right guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and start making my ice cream with this. All right, so we're gonna start by adding our heavy whipping cream. Half and half. Add the vanilla. I'm going to add our salt. Squeeze some honey. Now we're going to go ahead and mix. We're almost there, guys, almost there. Just keep going a little bit more longer. Almost there, guys, we're getting there. Alright guys, that's the texture you're looking for to make your ice cream nice and creamy. So what we're going to go do now, we're going to add the sugar. Remember, we didn't add the sugar yet. We're going to add the sugar. Then we're going to give that one more mix and cream that everything together. Low. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and add the strawberry. All of it. I'm trying to leave it back in there. All right, then we're just gonna give it a quick little mix. Guys, I'm gonna bring it closer for a closer look. Nice strawberry ice cream. I'm gonna get the bowl. we're just gonna transfer this to here. Look at that. We're just gonna go ahead and level this down. Set this in the freezer. Let's go overnight, or at least 4 hours. All right, I'll see you guys when the ice cream is ready. All right, guys, so this is what we got. Nice, perfect strawberry ice cream. So now we're gonna go ahead and scoop it so you guys could see. How yummy this is. Look at that, guys. So there you go, guys. That's what you make perfect strawberry ice cream from scratch with fresh ingredients.